In this activity, I want you to make up a data set with 10 people and 3 variables, which means 3 columns. So open up a blank Google Sheet and then type in person 1 right here into A2. Then go to the bottom right corner and drag it down till it's person 10. And then over here, put your 3 column titles. So these need to be 3 quantitative variables. So they could be variables like age, height, and GPA, or age, height, and income, just whatever 3 you want them to be, but they all have to be involved numbers. They all have to be quantitative variables. So put your 3 column titles up here, and then here put in your made up answers. This is your made up data set. So just put in all of your answers in here. And like I said, these are just made up answers. Just pretend that these 10 people are taking a survey and they're answering these 3 questions. And then down here, you're going to be calculating the range and the MAD, which is mean absolute deviation. And I'll just put in a few numbers so that I can actually show you how to do the work. So here, type in for range equals, I don't think I actually can do the range. So what do you have to do is type in equals max for maximum, put a left parentheses like this, then highlight your column of numbers in this column, then put the right parentheses to close it. That'll give you the maximum, which is the highest number in the column. Then type in minus. Then type in min for minimum. That'll give you the lowest number in the column. Then put the left parentheses again, and highlight the entire column again, not the column title, but the entire column of answers or data, and then put the right parentheses right here. Now it's going to subtract the maximum by the minimum, the largest by the smallest. So after you have all of this, press enter, and you'll get it. The range here is 0 because, well, the highest is 3, the lowest is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. And then put the arrow on the bottom right corner, drag it across, and it'll do it for all 3. And then for MAD, type in equals AV, DEV, which is average deviation. Put the left parentheses, and then highlight the entire column up to here. Put the right parentheses and press enter. And it looks like it didn't do it, maybe because I highlighted some blank cells. So let me try it again. Equals AV, DEV, then the left parentheses, highlight, then put the right parentheses and press enter. And it's still not doing it. Let me see why. So AV, DEV. Oh, sorry, it's AVE, DEV, average deviation. So now it'll work. AVE, DEV, and it's 0 because the numbers are all the same. And now highlight the bottom right corner, drag it across, and it'll do it for all 3. And now you're done, and I just need you to give this a name. Just call it activity 4. And I said that the entire set of numbers, the data set, is made up. So you're just pretending you did a survey, and you have to have 3 variables. Put the variable names up here, and they can be whatever you want. They all have to be quantitative. They all have to do with numbers. And also, the last thing I want you to do is make sure that the left column has the lowest MAD, the middle column has a higher MAD, and the right column has the highest MAD. So make it so that this one has the lowest MAD, this one is higher, and this one is the highest MAD. And to make that happen, you just have to design your numbers in a certain way. So watch my video and learn about what affects the MAD, and then create your columns so that you know that this one will be the lowest, this one will be higher, and this one will be highest. And once you're finished with this, just download it as an Excel file like you did before, and then upload it to Activity 4.